Hello there and good morning. This is Miss Zanette. I just wanted to review with you really quickly and go over what our conferencing is going to look like for quarter four, because it's going to look quite a bit different than the way we were doing it over those first 2 weeks of distance learning. So it is no longer going to be the big, crazy, complicated schedule where everyone's required to sign up for a conference over the 2 weeks and all that. I would like to see as many of you as I can, as much as possible, but ultimately it'll be up to you. So I've posted this today in Google Classroom quarter four conference signups. When you click on it, you'll see first of all, it says it'll be updated weekly. So this schedule will be sent out every Monday to sign up for conferences for that week. Tuesdays and Fridays offer small group conferences that you can sign up for. And then Wednesday and Thursday just have office hours for drop-ins. So if you go ahead and open it up, it looks like this. Please take the time to read the instructions again after I go over them with you today, just to make sure that you understand the expectations. So please just come and say hi. Also, if you just kind of want to, you don't really have a question, but you're just not doing anything and you want to say hi or see who else joins and maybe check in with a friend you haven't talked to in a little while. The one thing is that every student must check in over video conference at least once every 2 weeks. That doesn't mean you need to sign up for the Tuesday or Friday small group conferences, but I would like you to at least drop into the Wednesday or Thursday office hours once every 2 weeks, just so I can, make sure that you're doing okay, just get some FaceTime with you, and you might actually hear the answer to a question that you maybe had and didn't realize you had. So, conferences, this is how conferences are going to work. So it's going to be groups of 8 students maximum at a time. And as you can see there, Tuesdays and Fridays from 10:30 to 11 or 1 to 1:30. And as soon as you sign up on Monday, I'll email you the Google Hangout invitation that night for the Tuesday, Friday conferences. So here's what it looks like on here. So 10:30 to 11, you can sign up in one of these 8 slots, or 1 to 1:30, one of these 8 slots. And again, just like it was on the last conference sheet, do not edit or delete anyone else's name. And I'll be able to see if you do in my document history. Not that I think any of you will. And then again for Friday. So here's those 8 slots for Friday, 10:30 to 11, 8 slots for Friday, 1 to 1:30. And then Wednesday and Thursday, these are the office hours. They're the same times as the conferences on Tuesday and Friday. So 10:30 to 11 or 1 to 1:30. I'll just be waiting in a Google Hangout for whoever wants to drop in to ask a question or say hi. You're just going to click on this link right here. That's in this document. So make sure that you remember where to find this in Google Classroom so that you can find the link for the office hours. So you're going to follow that, and it's going to bring you to the Google Meets page. And then you're either going to click join a meeting, or it'll say join a meeting, or it'll say use a meeting code. And you're going to enter the code Zanette7 to join that Google Meet for my office hours. So Zanette7, right? Should be easy to remember. My last name and the grade level that you're in. So again, just drop in for general questions or to say hi. And then remember that you can always email me or send me a message on Remind if you have any other questions that pop up throughout the week. I'm trying to be really good about getting back to you as quickly as possible. Or if you want to schedule just a one-on-one conference or a one-on-one check-in, and I might reach out to you for a one-on-one conference or check-in, and that doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong, or it might just mean that I literally just feel like I haven't talked to you in a while and I just want to check in to see if there's anything I can do to help you. So that is it. You should see this posted in Google Classroom today on Monday. This is the first week for signups for today through this Friday. So go ahead and sign up if you want to meet, or I'll see you on Wednesday or Thursday possibly for my office hours. All right, and have a great week.